Hello everyone. In our last video, we have learnt about cellular respiration process. In this video, we are going to learn about respiration versus combustion process. In late 18th century, Lavoisier opinion that respiration was a process like combustion. Also, he wrote in a compilation in 1783, respiration is a combustion process. It is a very slow process, and here oxygen is not only combines with carbon but also with hydrogen. In the same way, Robinson also stated that respiration is a type of combustion and combustion is a source of heat in animals. To know about combustion, we perform one simple activity: observing changes during combustion of sugar. To perform this activity, we need some material: test tube, spirit lamp, delivery tube, cork, stand, sugar molecules, and lime water. Take some sugar molecules in one test tube and add some lime water to another test tube and both combine with a delivery tube and arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Now heat the sugar molecules test tube with the spirit lamp. Sugar molecules start melting. What happens if we heat for some more time? Total sugar molecules melt and they turn into black, and then they produce carbon dioxide and release energy in the form of heat. And we observe the lime water turned into milky white color. So here glucose burns, carbon dioxide and water are produced, and energy is released as heat in combustion process. In respiration equation, we also get the same products. So respiration and combustion process have some similarities and also some differences they have. First we know about similarities. Both processes need oxygen to perform the activity. In both processes, carbon dioxide and water molecules are produced and heat is released. In the same way, they show some differences. Now we are going to learn about what are the differences between the respiration and combustion process. In combustion process, to burn sugar molecules, we need to give heat in the form of flame. In respiration, there is no need of heat to start the process. Second one, in combustion, glucose must be burnt at a high temperature. In our body, respiration takes place at body temperature only. In combustion, sugar molecule turns to black, then burn. In our body, glucose does not burn and not turn to black. Once glucose starts burning, we can't stop the process easily. In respiration, living cells are able to control over the burning process. In combustion, energy released at once in the form of heat. In respiration, energy released in different stages. There is no presence of intermediate products in combustion process, whereas in respiration it produces many intermediary products. Water normally stops the combustion process while cells contain a lot of water and respiration goes on. In combustion process, whole energy released at once into surroundings. In respiration, energy released in small amounts in different stages. Some energy turns into chemical energy and some amount released in the form of heat. Combustion is a fast process. Respiration is a slow process. Heat production by living organisms. Living animals and plants usually produce energy in the form of heat. We can observe this process. We feel warm when we wear sweater in winter season. And we know that sweater prevents loss of heat energy produced by our body. That means heat is constantly lost from our body, and also it is continuously generated within our body to replace the lost energy to keep our body temperature constant. Here one question rises: is the rate of heat production always the same? During cellular respiration, energy is released and some part of energy is stored in the form of ATP and some part of energy utilized in our day-to-day life activities, and then the excess amount of energy is released in the form of heat. But when we take some hard exercises like running, we need more amount of energy. For this, the rate of respiration is increases and also the excess amount of heat is also releases and we feel very warm, and this proves that we lost some amount of energy in the form of heat through our body, and the lost heat is regenerated in our body in the process of cellular respiration to keep our body temperature constant. If sufficient oxygen is not present during hard exercises, the muscles start anaerobic respiration and lactic acid is formed, and that accumulation of lactic acid causes pain in our muscles, and we reach normal position after taking some rest. And deep breathing helps us to restore energy in our body. Key points: when glucose burns, carbon dioxide and water are produced and energy released as heat. Respiration equation, we get the same products. C6H12O6 plus O6 gives rise 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Respiration and combustion have some similarities. Both processes need oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water are produced. Energy released as heat. Respiration and combustion have some differences. Glucose must be burnt at a high temperature in combustion process, while respiration takes place at body temperature. Lactic acid causes for muscle pain.